My name is teacher Leabecca, and I currently live in the Caribbean. Isn't it beautiful? This is my 1-year-old son, Caleb. Say hello, Caleb. Say hi. Yes. So I've been teaching English online as an ESL teacher for over 4 years, and it has been so amazing. I absolutely love teaching kids, and I'm a proud teacher with UUABC. And I'm so excited to show you guys my favorite props to use in the classroom.
Five hours later.
Hi, it's me again, Teacher Becky. And I'm so excited to show you guys my favorite props to use in the classroom with UUABC. Okay, so let's get right to it. So some of my favorite props to use are these faces. I have quite a few. I have angry face. I have happy. I have sad and surprise. Now these faces are really effective in the classroom, especially sometimes when you ask the kids how they're doing, they may not know how to express themselves very well. Maybe if they had a great day or they're not feeling so well. I use these different facial expressions to prompt them and help them to express themselves and express their feelings, and they're really effective in doing so. Also, these are also really helpful when the students maybe get a question wrong. I would go womp womp womp, and they almost every time they bust out laughing and they're ready and willing to try again. I also use the happy face when they get it correct. I go, ding, 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 ding. Good job! And they love it. These faces are also really helpful when teaching different emotions and feelings. So as you would notice, most of my props are multi-purpose. I love multi-purpose props. And they're really easy to make. I use popsicle stick, hot glue, and a paper plate, markers, and colorful cotton balls for the eyes. It's really easy to make, but really effective. I also have my friends Meg and Mike. Meg and Mike are really helpful in class. I use them to teach boy and girl, he and she. I also use them during the role plays to help the kids know, when it's their turn, and it's really helpful in doing so. I love Meg and Mike. There have been many times when I'm teaching a student, he or she, and they're pretty clueless about that. But Meg and Mike stepped in and saved the day. And after the kids were able to make sentences using he and she, boy and girl, and it was really effective. A perfect teaching tool. Another prop that I use in class, I have tons and tons of animals. The kids love animals, and so I use these as icebreakers. In the beginning of a class, maybe a student might feel a little nervous or shy or timid. These animals are perfect for breaking the ice. I would ask them what their favorite animal is, and then get them to describe it for me and what sound it makes. It's perfect, and it gets the kids ready for class. I also use these animals during the lesson. If the lesson has to do with animals, these are really effective. Okay, so last but not least, as an ESL teacher, especially when we're teaching kids, it's important that we make our lessons fun and interesting and engaging, because It's important that the kids learn but have fun while they're learning, right? So it's important to have props that are purely for entertainment purposes. So one of my favorite is the wig. This is one of my favorite props to use. It gets the kids laughing every time. It gets the kids to focus on the lesson, focus on me and what I'm teaching, and it keeps them interested and having fun, and it's really, really easy to make. I simply used a wig cap on the inside here, some needle and thread, and some colorful hair, and you can just sew it on. It's really easy to make and really fun for the kids, which is most important. So that's about it. I have some other props, but maybe in the future I will show you guys those. But these are a few of my favorite props to use in class and the most effective ones for me. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you all. Bye bye.